one, and this one here. Each time a surge had come through. See over here where the level came through here, and you can see where it went over the seat of these swings here. And of course where these cables were covered in debris. And as it came down this way, it was running off down towards the hydro, coming through here. Any that missed that gate there were coming straight down this block here. As you can see, the pieces of timber, there's logs. Log down there, there's another log out the end there. Everything off the there will be. A lot of the water, as it was flowing down, started taking off down here. We've got a big flow all the way down to the bottom, and the bottom fence was covered. Up to it was up to here. So we're up a good 12 steps up the grand staircase. That was the water level. You can see where it's all washed out through under there. And the picnic area is now starting to appear again. You can see quite a few palms have been knocked down. And a lot of sand. A lot of sand was dropped here on the path. And here we are at the picnic area. It's still flowing well and truly, but you can see the tables appearing down this way. It's cleared out all the undergrowth, and it's just cleared it all up. I think if we just cut back on some of these trees and plants, they'll just grow again. See, this sort of thing, unfortunately, you can see that most of the under plants have all been wiped out, but we can fix those. You can see the level, the water was coming through here. All this was covered, and you can see that everything's been wiped clean as the floods come through. And it pushed the water back to here, so we're right up next to the cafe. And from here, it flowed on down Lovers Lane. And this was a river basically flowing through here, and it met further down here with the waters that were flowing up from the back of the park. So we finished up having, fortunately, water running down this way from the falls and meeting, and when I saw it at its peak, it was meeting the water that had backed up about here. So here we are opposite the tennis courts, and down here at the tunnel entrance I can show you the height that the water got to. Fortunately, the cafe and the tennis courts, there's been no damage done